Hey guys, this is Megan with 1000 Generation Farms. Super cold out. It's a Saturday when I'm videoing this. Joseph is actually going to be selling some of our small square bales to a friend, so I'm going to do a video on that this morning. We're kind of like on the edge of getting close to nap time, so we'll see how much I get videoed of it. But basically we're just going to throw some hay down from the loft in the barn and then get it loaded up. So we're just kind of wait until they get here. So won't you come farming with us? Girls. Hi, Mama. Hi, sweet one. So we have a heater for our big water tank, but we don't for this little one, and we've just been talking about how it's kind of pointless. They don't drink out of it anyways, obviously because it gets frozen. So we might just not fill that one up. They can get the big one fine. And now that the bigger cows aren't here, the water don't go as quick, so. So Joseph's going up to the hay loft, which if you've seen any of my other hay videos, it's just up here. Joseph actually made that, but it goes around the sides of the barn. Then I'll show you where he throws it down from. That's it, I. Okay guys, I'm up in the hayloft now, and I'm kind of doing what Joseph was doing, so I'll try and get you some footage of that. If this works, you're sitting on a hay bale, so. Well, we got the trailer filled. Now we're gonna do the pickup and we'll be done.